What's going on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram? This is Michael, the owner of Trushine Cleaning. Out here at a new customer's house. This job was actually referred to me from Danny. Big shout out to you. She refers me to a lot of clients and just appreciate it. So I'm gonna tag you in this video, Danny. So, but I want to show you guys real quick area rugs that I'm doing. I'm actually done already. I've already cleaned them both already. This one, you couldn't really tell the condition of this one, but cleaned up pretty good. It was a few spots like right here in the center part, but everything else lightened up pretty good. And it did have some, it do have some color fading. As you can see, it's like some spots here. This rug, this little runner is in like the hallway area, and they say it's been there for about 20 years, and the sun fades it. But right now it's wet, so you can't really tell, but it's like a faded spot right down the center of it. And this is the rug. This is a silk and wool rug. Came out very, very well. Did have a lot of traffic areas along the borderline. Along this borderline, as you can see, it is some still there, but the customer just, told me to do my best on it. And the way this material is, depends on which way you look at it. It looks dirty sometimes, so that's what I was really letting them know, like as I was cleaning, the type of material, because it's silk and wool, that silk gives it a, like, look right there, you see that spot there? And as I come this way, it looks like nothing is really there. So it is a different type of material. So it took me some time to get it together. I was here for probably about an hour and a half after setup, but everything came out great. So I'm gonna have them come out and look at it and see what they say. As you can see, look at that. So you can see how this spot looks. It still looks pretty dirty right there. So, but if you get down and you shift the fabric one way, it lightens up. So, all right.